RSX. Let's do a little unboxing. I couldn't find some scissors, so we're gonna use this. Ooh, look at that. Alright, set this up. Yo, David, be quiet. We're recording a video. We're recording a video. Be quiet. Take this off. You see this? There's another one right here. That. This will come off. Ooh. Over here. Mishimoto. I still want my delivery back because I was supposed to get this a week ago. This video was supposed to come up a week ago. So I want my Mishimoto, if you're looking at this video, I want my $60 back for overnight shipping. Anyways, let's go. Open it. Mishimoto. Let's see the quality. Let's see the quality. This company is my first time buying anything from Mishimoto. Let's see the quality. Ooh, okay. Smells good. Smells. Well, let's just cut back to putting them in the car.